guys, how's everyone going? Steve here again. Well, it's early in the morning. I'm going to make some breakfast, and I thought I'd just show you a couple of products I got from Drifter the other day. They're called Ridge Monkey. We used these a couple of times over the last few days, and I'll tell you what, I'm very impressed with them. We did some it's like jaffles in these the other day, but we just put the bread inside them. So you make your little sandwiches up, and inside the packet you get all the gear you need. So this one here is like a toasty one, so you get this little thing inside. It's got your handles in there, and they just store in the bottom there. And then in here you got cutlery, so you got like a little fork. Whoops, just dropped that. You got like a little scraper. You got spoons and forks and all sorts of things. And your handles, they got little magnets on them which clamp the thing together, but you just push these into there, have your magnets facing down or together, and then they clamp together like that and hold them together. And you can put your bread and whatever in here and toast it up over gas or over charcoal. Probably wouldn't put them over a great big fire or anything like that, but they've got a non-stick surface in there. But we're going to put it over the gas here this morning. And I'm going to cheat because I got some pancake shake which I'm going to pour in there and cook up some to light her up. Just adjust that down a bit, we don't want it going right hot. Just want enough heat in there to Now I think the good thing about these is I'll be able to flip them. And I'm hoping I won't have to use any oil or anything on them. I haven't tried this before, so we'll see what sort of trouble I can get into, eh? I'll pour that in there. I always reckon with pancakes, you wait till you see those little bubbles showing up through the top, and then they're right to turn, eh? Have a look at our area out here where we're camping, eh? How good's that? Beautiful creek there, and got old .261 all set up out here, and making use of some good gear we've got off Drifter. So got our alley box and all our tables and IGTs, and got old FJ over there, and my little kick-ass panels out in the sun because the bloody trailer panels don't get the sun till later in the afternoon. But better get back over here. I put the toasties in last night and left them too long, so you can see it's starting to bubble up there now. We'll get one of these little implements out of here, that we can have a look at it. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. So they're alright, eh? They're not sticking, which is a bonus. So what we'll do is, you close these over, and then the good thing about it, you can cook on both sides. So we'll flip it over, eh? Give it a tap and see whether it's on the other side. Look at that. How good is that? How much easier is that cooking pancakes? So I think this is going to be a ripper of an idea. I'll show you the finished product when I've got them all done, but yeah, Ridge Monkey from Drifter. So check out any of the Drifter stores or online, and you should be able to get one. I got this off Drifter Stockton in Slacks Creek, but they look pretty good to me, so cheers. Okay guys, we better give you a look at these, eh? So here we go here. How easy is that? Just flipped it over, falls down the other way. Look at that on the bottom, beautiful. That's all. I'll just switch this gas off. So the Ridge Monkey is a success. You can cook up like toasties in there as well with bread and meat and stuff like that. and fantastic for pikelets or pancakes. You won't cook them any better way, I don't reckon. I've tried them in fry pans and all sorts of things, but have a look at this. Just beautiful. So just got to get a bit of honey on them. Look at that, a bit of honey. I haven't got any jam, I left it at home. So honey will do. And you can't have pancakes if you haven't got cream.
Yes, you can.
So I'm going to go enjoy this. So cheers, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, get them from Drifter, any of their stores online. Great product. Glad I got one. Cheers. Also, don't forget to be kind to each other. See you on the next one.